Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a golden text effect in Photoshop. First, let's type the text we need. I will take the word gold, type the text and enlarge it as required. Place it in the center of the image. Okay guys, next we will be creating the effect using the blending options of the layer. I will show you the way the effect should be done. It's not compulsory for you to follow the exact same thing. So guys, let's get into making the effect. Open blending options of the layer. To add a color, open color overlay and add a dark yellowish color. Next, choose bevel and emboss and do the following settings. Please subscribe our channel and join our family for more useful videos. It will be a great motivation for me to upload more exciting videos on a regular basis. Okay guys, back to the tutorial. It took me a longer time to get the expected result. You can take your own time too. Next, choose Inner Glow and do the following adjustments. Click OK. Okay guys, now the text has been made. Next, let's add some shining flares to the text. Create a new layer and choose any kind of shine flare brush by choosing the brush tool. You can download this brush from any site you want, and it's mostly free. If you need any help, please drop a comment. Choose a bright yellow color and start adding the flares on the text while choosing the new layer. Do some adjustments to the brush settings and get the perfect result. Okay guys, now our effect has been done perfectly. Okay guys, hope you understood the process of creating this golden text effect using Photoshop. Hope you enjoyed the video and got something useful. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in another interesting tutorial.